Hey guys, so I pulled off the lower oil pan on the F10 M5 S63 TU engine. And of course, drained the oil, I'd say extensively, checked the pickup tube for shavings, everything was super clean. And now that I've replaced the oil, gasket, lower oil pan, the oil filter, I want to do a prime, and I couldn't find anywhere online a simple solution to priming the engine of oil. So quick tip, some people recommend disconnect all the injectors. That's a lot of work. I started and I gave up. Someone very usefully on like a 535 said, hey, the battery has a couple connectors that are visible, and I believe these go and power the fuse relays or whatever, fuse panels, one in the front and the back of the car. So disconnected these three connectors on my M5 and so now you can successfully prime the engine. I believe in the manual, or BMW recommends running it for 10 seconds. You're gonna see some faults. Right? Because your fuse panels or whatever are disconnected. And so yeah, do that 3 times, plug everything back, and you should be able to start your engine. Hope this helps.